Pakistan has just named Lieutenant General Mohammad Asim Malik, the current head of the Inter-Services Intelligence (ISI), as the country's new national security advisor. He is taking on this new responsibility in addition to his current role as ISI chief, and the decision comes at a tense time, right after Pahalgam terror attack in India that claimed 26 lives, mostly tourists. So who exactly is Lieutenant General Asim Malik? Let's take a closer look. He's a 3-star general in the Pakistan Army and comes from a military family. His father, Lieutenant General retired Ghulam Muhammad Malik, also served in the army. Their roots go back to Shahpur in Sargodha district of Punjab. Lieutenant General Malik began his military journey at the Pakistan Military Academy, where he stood out by winning the Sword of Honor, the highest award for best all-round cadet. He was commissioned in 1989 into the 12th Baloch Regiment. Academically, he is just as impressive. He earned his bachelor's degree from the University of Balochistan, studied at Fort Leavenworth in the US, and later went to the Royal College of Defence Studies in the UK. He also holds a PhD in US-Pakistan relations from the National Defence University in Islamabad, making him the first ever PhD holder to lead the ISI. Over the years, he has held many important roles. Commanded a brigade in Waziristan as brigadier, led the 41st Infantry Division in Balochistan as a major general, served in the Military Operations Directorate at GHQ, worked as an instructor at the Command and Staff College in Quetta, became chief instructor at NDU, helping shape future military leaders. He also served as the Adjutant General at GHQ, where he played a major role in overseeing high-profile cases, including those involving former ISI Chief Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid and former PM Imran Khan. His tenure saw major events like the 9 May protest, and he was in charge of investigating the violent incidents that followed. On 23 September 2024, Lieutenant General Malik became the new DG ISI, taking over from Lieutenant General Nadeem Anjum. Now, as both ISI Chief and National Security Advisor, Lieutenant General Asim Malik is one of the most powerful figures in Pakistan's security setup at a time when regional tensions are running high. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.